Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nagapriya, dental surgeon, cosmetologist and a nutritionist. I'm from Hyderabad and I own a clinic in Bajpalli, which is in Hyderabad, with hair, skin, dental and nutrition. Optimum Wellness Academy was one of the best academy I have seen. A lot of my friends who has done the nutrition, I had a feedback with them. After listening their feedback, I felt choosing Optimum Wellness is the good job I have done. The faculty members was very good, very wonderful, very helpful, and the most thing I have liked in them is blackboard teaching, which we used to learn in school. See, whenever we see the slides, definitely we feel sleepy. But whenever they explain on the screen, it's really amazing. They'll teach they're teaching to a small kids. They'll never say you don't know this, you don't know that. They never question you. Whatever silly doubts you ask at whatever time you ask, they're always there to help you. The Optimum Wellness staff are really awesome. The admin staff in taking the admission as well, and most importantly, the teaching faculty. First, I have taken the certification course because I don't know how diploma and all works, and I really don't know about Optimum Wellness Academy. So, after doing my certification course, I realized if I do the diploma course, it will be like really good. So, I have done my diploma course and the certification course. If they offer me some other courses, I'm ready to do it also. I love counting the calories because most of the people doesn't know how to calculate the calories. They just eat small amount of food and they say I'm not losing weight. But that's not the point. You have to count the calories. According to the calories, if you eat 100%, you're gonna lose weight. My always favorite topic is counting the calories. The teachers in the Optimum Wellness Academy are really good. The only one and only thing I have liked mainly in Optimum Wellness Academy is blackboard teaching. They write everything. If they say is that, even they write that is that on the screen, which is really helpful. This is the most important factor that every student has to learn from. Because if they show the slides, definitely everyone will get bored and get distracted. But their motto is everyone should indulge in their teaching. So it's also happening because in between they say some exercises, give some exercises. We do it. It's like almost a interactive sessions. The good thing I have liked is one is blackboard teaching, second is interactive sessions. Yeah, I stay in South India and Optimum Wellness Academy is in the East. I thought there would be a language barrier, but when I joined the course, I never feel like I'm talking to some East people because the communication was very good, very clear. If I don't understand once, they'll repeat twice. If I don't understand twice, they are ready to repeat thrice. So there is no language barrier between Optimum Wellness Academy and me. And they always use English language, which is a universal, and also Hindi because everyone can't speak English. So I never felt any language barrier. I never attended the live classes, because it was in the morning. I really don't find time to attend the live classes. But the good thing is they provide you the recordings lifelong. There is an app, so in that app we can log in anytime. We can get access at any time, anywhere, if you have a Wi-Fi connection or the internet connection. So whenever I used to get time, I really used to sit and I used to listen all the recordings. The recordings really helped me so much. Whenever I used to get a doubt, I used to text in the group or I used to text the faculty. They used to reply me in a minute. I don't know how, but it's really so good. on the end of the day, I used to get clear all my doubts. So I thought to set up a clinic. So now, I really don't know what all instruments I have to put, machines I have to put in my new clinic. Optimum Wellness Academy made me how to set up my own clinic. Now my clinic has dental, hair, skin, along with the nutrition. I have a separate chamber for the nutrition. I'm so happy that people are getting healthy, people are losing weight because of me. I'm came to this stage only because of Optimum Wellness Academy. In relation to medicine, every doctor needs to know about the nutrition because hair needs nutrition and skin needs good food and diabetes need good food to control the diabetic problem. Every problem which occurring in our body needs nutrition. And after joining Optimum Wellness Academy, I realized even dental also need the nutrition for faster healing. So I think no. I feel every doctor needs the knowledge of nutrition so that along with the medical and the medicines, they can also tell their patients which food to eat, when to eat, how much to eat. So that combination of nutrition along with their medicines will definitely give a very good successful rate. As I'm really experiencing it, I'm telling about. Have given us many assignments like preparing the diet chart and doing some posters in the social media and everything, which is really very helpful for us because we never knew how to make a poster of nutrition. With their assignments, we really got to know how exactly we have to make the posters of the nutrition and the food, which is helpful for the public. And the assignments related to the diet charts are really helpful because every dietitian should know how to make a diet chart. If he doesn't know how to make a diet chart, there is no sense of being a nutritionist and a dietitian. So the assignments given by Optimum Wellness Academy was really good, and the schedule they have scheduled was really very interesting and very impressive also. Generally, in my family, I used to always hear whenever there is a diabetic patient, they used to say, whenever they are having tea, they'll say that don't have sugar, have some jaggery in it so that the sugar level doesn't spike. But after listening to lectures of Optimum Wellness Academy, I really felt, something good that I learned. Jaggery is the thing which is making the sugar level spike. So please don't believe which is running on social medias. Go to a good nutritionist and dietitian who is well knowledgeable and then decide your diet. Optimum Wellness Academy has taught us different types of diet plans in different types of software. In that first, I felt, I learned mainly with writing. They taught us how to write a diet plan with pen and paper. Because first of all, I didn't go on Excel sheet because I wanted to do with my own hands. That really helped me. And they also taught us different diet plans on different softwares. After this, I really like the chronometer. After the ChatGPT AI, mainly they have designed a separate software of Optimum Wellness, which is really grateful. And it was literally, I can prepare a diet plan within 5 to 10 minutes with those software. Being on social media really has a very good impact on my clinic because everyone sees if a patient likes a content of a doctor, they don't even hesitate to travel kilometers and they come to you for the treatment. So how sophisticated you be on social media, how good you talk on the social media, how good you represent yourself on social media really impact on others. If you really make them understand in a good proper way, they really don't mind to travel for you from such a long distance. We have so many clients like this. Even though they get transferred to the other states, they come here for the treatment. As a fresher, when you come out of the academy, we really don't know how much to charge, how to talk, how to take a consultation. But in Optimum Wellness Academy, they always show you in live, and they show some recordings and the phone recordings, like how to consult with a patient, how to talk to them, how to charge, how to give a packages, how to how to teach you how to read the mind of the patient, exactly what they want, and according to the patient reading, we have to give the packages. Everything they'll teach you. How to run your business also. That's the very important thing nowadays. Thus, no one will teach you. I really studied so many blood reports, but I really don't know the importance, and when the triglycerides are known, what have to be done. I really don't have much knowledge on that. But with their clinical lectures, I really got a very good picture how to read the blood reports. I have came across like many reports of thyroid, diabetes, triglycerides, everything. But recently, what I have seen is one client came to me saying that 3 to 4 doctors said me I have a thyroid. I have seen the reports. In that, T3 and T4 are normal, but TSH is abnormal. I told the client, you didn't got thyroid, but thyroid is influencing your body. Better take the necessary precautions. So this kind of knowledge which not everyone has, we got from Optimum Wellness Academy. If you feel the prices are really very high at Optimum Wellness Academy, don't be tensed, because they are giving you more than what they charge you. They give a very good quality along with the quantity. At the end of the course, it's really value your money. So never regret it. I always recommend Optimum Wellness Academy when people ask me regarding the nutrition courses. Whenever I post some social media nutrition pictures and some videos, they always ask where did you study, how you got this knowledge. So I always feel happy to see I studied from Optimum Wellness Academy. You also go get an admission in Optimum Wellness Academy, grab your knowledge. Hello everyone, నేను డాక్టర్ నాగప్రియ, డెంటల్ సర్జన్, కాస్మెటాలజిస్ట్ అండ్ న్యూట్రిషనిస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ నేను ఆప్టిమమ్ వెల్నెస్ అకాడమీని చూస్ చేసుకున్నందుకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. బికాస్ నాకు న్యూట్రిషన్ అంటే పెద్దగా తెలీదు, ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఏంటి, ఏం నేర్పిస్తారు అని. కానీ ఈ అకాడమీకి వచ్చాక నాకు చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. ప్రతి ఒక్కటి చాలా డీటెయిల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. మెయిన్గా ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళ బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ టీచింగ్ అండ్ ప్రాక్టికల్స్ కూడా మీకు లైవ్లో చేపిస్తారు క్లాస్లో. ఒకవేళ మీరు క్లాస్ కనుక మిస్ అయితే వాళ్ళు రికార్డింగ్స్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది ఆప్టిమమ్ వెల్నెస్ అకాడమీని చూస్ చేసుకున్నందుకు. కొంచెం కూడా రిగ్రెట్ అనేదే లేదు. సో ఎవరైనా నన్ను న్యూట్రిషన్ కోర్స్ ఎక్కడ నేర్చుకున్నావు, మమ్మల్ని రికమెండ్ చేస్తావా అంటే డెఫినెట్లీ 100% నేను చెప్తాను, ఆప్టిమమ్ వెల్నెస్ అకాడమీకి వెళ్ళండి. మీకు డెఫినెట్గా న్యూట్రిషన్ కోర్స్ చాలా మంచిగా అవుతుంది. వాళ్ళు చాలా బాగా నేర్పిస్తారు.